My modular kitchen journey with Livspace. From design to delivery, what to expect.
Hi everyone, this is Shraddha and I am recording this video from my kitchen, and today was the first day of fitting of the Livspace kitchen. As you can see, they have laid out the shelves. This is the upper shelf unit, and they have already done the fitting for the below ones. They have fitted the frames. I'll just give you a walkthrough of like how the framing and everything looks like for Livspace. And for you, like for the context, Livspace is a modular kitchen company. They create modular kitchens, modular wardrobes, mostly modular furniture. And the good part of that is that they also give warranty of 10 years on the modular fittings, meaning like if anything goes bad, I can get it replaced only on modular fittings. But yeah, and it's supposedly is to be customizable. It's they say that they customize the kitchen as per the client's requirement, but in some time I'm going to show you. I am a bit disappointed because there are some things I wish would have been better in terms of customization. So let's begin with this video. Once I had finalized my kitchen design with Livspace interior designer, we signed off on final drawings. This included 3D views, material, finishes and hardware, all clearly documented. The project proposal that you receive in the email would include the payment terms and milestone for your fittings. If you're selecting modular kitchen, the normal price like payment term would be 5% of the order value or 25,000 rupees, whichever is higher to be paid, and then 50% at the time of sign off, that is finalization of your order, and 50% before the delivery of your product. If you want express delivery, they have that options too. The delivery of your kitchen or modular product can take somewhere between 45 days to 60 days from finalization of your order. We are back in Livspace office to finalize the kitchen design, and you're with my sister. Say hi. The project proposal that you receive in the email will also have a detailed timeline for your project. From day 0, that is your full order confirmation, they would start with kickoff meeting at your site on day 2 or 3 with the operations lead from Livspace. On day 7, materials are pushed for manufacturing. So before that, you need to make sure that all the dimensions collected on that project proposal are accurate. On day 35, delivery will begin. On day 37 onwards, installation will start. Around day 50, kitchen is ready to move in. In this project plan, the civil work was not included. If you have to do any civil work, for example false ceilings, or you have to move your sockets, then that would be an additional cost. Livspace provides 10 years of warranty on modular kitchen and wardrobes. With quality promise, you can request for replacement or repair of hardware like drawers and accessories which follow OEM warranties. If there are any delay in your payment or site readiness, your timelines might shift. And delay from the customer side, you may get charged 500 per day after 5-day grace period. In my experience, Livspace team was transparent with timelines and expectation. They shared escalation contacts and warranty details upfront, which made me feel more confident. It's important to stay involved at every step from payment to site visit. Even though the Livspace offer modular or customized kitchen, I noticed one drawback here. The drawers and shelves come in standard fixed sizes. To make them fit perfectly in your kitchen layout, fillers are often used.
These fillers can reduce your usable storage space. This aspect felt less custom than expected, especially when you're hoping to maximize every inch. Once installation was done, I personally inspected all fittings, drawers and shelves, checked alignments of shutters and hinges, verified if the finish matches the signed off design, and flagged any irregularities or pending work to operations lead. Pro tip here, don't assume everything's perfect. Take time to do a thorough check. It helps avoid future headaches. If you have stayed this far, you, my friend, are the real MVP. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you found this helpful, and share your own kitchen makeover experience in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I hope this breakdown helps you plan your dream kitchen better. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to share my honest experience. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home transformation content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.